In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. If you've been wanting to organize your navigation so visitors can easily find related pages under a single heading, a drop-down menu is a simple and effective solution. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set it up using the Wix editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand toolbar for the Pages and Menu icon. It usually looks like a small stack of pages. Click it to open the panel that shows your site's page structure. This panel is where you can see every page on your site and how they're organized, and it's the place where you'll create your dropdown. With the Pages and Menu panel open, decide which page should act as the main menu item, and which pages you want to appear inside the dropdown. To create the dropdown, click and hold the page you want to nest, then drag it slightly to the right beneath the main page. As you move it, you'll notice a subtle indent or guideline indicating that you're about to make it a subpage. Release the mouse when you see that indent. Instantly, the page becomes a subpage of the one above it, and your site menu updates in the editor to show a small arrow or indicator next to the main item, confirming the dropdown has been created. You can repeat this by dragging additional related pages to the right, under the same main page. To reorder items within the dropdown, drag them up or down while keeping that same indent. If you change your mind, simply drag a subpage back to the left until the indent disappears. That returns it to a T-level page. Keep page names short and clear so they display neatly in the menu. If your template uses a header menu, you'll see the dropdown in that header as soon as you nest the pages. A few helpful tips as you organize. Group pages by topic or audience to reduce clutter and help visitors scan quickly. Limit how many items you place in one dropdown so it stays easy to navigate. If a page is more of a category than a destination, consider leaving it as a non-clickable main label if your design supports that, or add a simple overview page to provide context. That's all there is to it. Open the Pages and Menu panel and use a quick drag to the right to nest pages and create a clean, user-friendly drop-down menu in Wix.